Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the junction box cover in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new junction box cover. The junction box cover protects the dishwasher power cord connection from water and prevents fire in case of an electrical short. The main reason why the junction box cover would need to be replaced is if it's missing or damaged. Using the Phillips, in our case screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the access panel out. Remove the access panel. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, unscrew the screw that holds the old junction box cover and remove it. Check if the wires are connected tight. This is the old junction box cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new junction box cover and secure it with the Torx 20 screw. Install the access panel and secure it with the two Phillips screws. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.